Hi, everybody. I need to check the official report, but it looked like it was 67 or 68 degrees in Portland today. Wow! I don't think we got to the record that was 69, but crazy. And today was a good example of what really warm days will look like from this point in fall going through the winter seasons. Very rare to have just a sunny day, zooming well up into the 60s. Typically, you're going to have clouds. You're getting a push of warm air with the south wind ahead of a front that's coming in the next day. Or you have rain and you're in the middle of that rainy weather and it was in the 50s overnight and then you hit 60. That's exactly what happened, right? So this is the way that we get really warm days as we get closer and closer into our true rainy season. Okay, let's talk about Thursday. You get up in the morning. I think there will be some rain on the radar in the morning. The actual front comes in around noon tomorrow, and then the upper level low drops along the southern Oregon coast and keeps shooting rain up into us at times Thursday overnight into early Friday morning. Then that drops away. So when you wake up in the morning, it's tough to tell how much rain there is. It could be fairly steady. I wouldn't be shocked. I do believe the heaviest rain rates hold off until closer to midday, then going into the afternoon hours. This is at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon on one forecast model. That shows a steady rain band from the coast. There's Portland all the way into the Cascades. So certainly there will be more wet weather tomorrow than not. And in terms of how much that we're going to get, let me just bring up my 7-day forecast. Forecast models have at least been showing a half of an inch of rain for Portland tomorrow. At times, these forecast models have been going crazy with like an inch of rain. So maybe we get 3/4 of an inch or more. I'll be surprised if we don't get at least a half of an inch of rain. We're talking a lot of hours of fairly constant rainfall tomorrow evening, into the overnight, into Friday morning. I mean, certainly that period could be an inch. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, stays warm tonight. Temperatures overnight tonight, still hanging out around 60 degrees much of the night. We could be 59 or even 60 when you get up in the morning, and then the rain comes, and we kind of cool off into the mid to maybe low 50s. So actually the temperatures tomorrow start off the warmest part of your day early. Then we cool down to around 53. And then the air does get colder. Overnight, rain's falling. Thursday overnight, we drop into the mid 40s. Then during the day, wet early, but the afternoon, there's a shower chance, but it could be partly cloudy and pretty dry Friday afternoon. That's a change from what I was telling you, and about 52. Saturday, opposite. I think the morning is mainly dry, and then the afternoon we'll see some scattered showers start to fire up. Not that wet period. 49 the high. Sunday, completely dry. Some of you might get down to freezing, 35 to 48. That's cool, right? And then Monday, clouds come in after what could be some early sun, and we may just see periods of steady rain develop in the afternoon. I'm not sure. The rain picks up certainly Monday overnight, showers Tuesday behind a front, and then right now, Veterans Day next Wednesday looks to be dry. If you have travel plans up over the Cascades, snow levels don't really get down to the Cascade Passes until Friday night. And quite frankly, by then, there's not much moisture left. I suppose Friday overnight into early Saturday morning, there might be 1, 2, 3 inches of snow over the Cascades, but it could very easily be flurries by then. But nonetheless, you'll want to keep an eye on conditions if you're going to be traveling over the Cascades Friday overnight and Saturday morning. And with that said, that's all I have. So let's look for a rainy, soaking Thursday. We need a wet November to keep us on track for our water year season, which of course runs all the way through September 30th. And with that, I will say goodnight.